This recipe for our traditional Scottish lentil soup is not only delicious, but it's also packed with protein, making it good for you, as well as being lovely, cozy, and filling as well. It's also a proper hand-me-down recipe. My wife's uncle made this for us, and it was his mum's recipe, and now I'm passing it on to you. It's easy to make, freezes, scales well, and it sure warm me out when it's cold, dreich, and pishy weather outside. Sounds good? This is how you make it. Now, I've been playing around with lentil soup recipes for years, and this is the best one that I've ever cooked. So I would say, be flexible with the veggies and so on, but I am worried that it would make it taste totally different and not be as good. So I suggest using carrot, celery, and onion, and that is it. I know some people put neeps or turnips in it, but I think this combo, this mirepoix of recipes that are form the base of many sauces, are the ones that you should use. Then once you've chopped them up, you're going to add them to a large pot with a little bit of oil, and you're going to fry them on a medium heat until they start to soften. Then you're going to add your red lentils. Make sure you have rinsed and give these a good wash beforehand. You don't need to soak them overnight, along with a tablespoon of tomato puree and 1.2 litres of vegetable or chicken stock. I prefer using chicken stock. I think it has a much richer flavour, but obviously if you're vegan or vegetarian, use vegetable stock. At this point, the video would be great if you could just hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it, and it's nothing to do with my ego. It just helps the video be seen by more people and helps the channel grow. Mix all of that through, then add lots of black pepper. I'm adding about 20 to 25 grinds from the black pepper mill. I think that gives a real nice spiciness that is key for this recipe. Reduce the heat down to a simmer, pop the lid on it, and give it about 45 minutes to an hour until the lentils are really pretty much all broken down. All you need to do is just plate it up. You can blend it if you want, but it's up to you. I don't think it needs it. And as always, garnish with something green and get stuck in. So there we have it, traditional Scottish lentil soup. And I was a bit apprehensive about this recipe because I'll be honest with you, that was the first time I've ever filmed a recipe on this channel that I've not cooked beforehand. Normally I cook it several times to get right, but this was a bit of a risk. Well, it wasn't. It was a tested recipe. Granny Everett's Scottish lentil soup, absolute winner. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and as always, drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of it once you've made it. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future high protein recipes. Right, it is just lunchtime. I'm going to have this, and I hope to speak to you later again on the channel. See ya! Delicious.